Let me show you how to erase the codes on your Guardian overhead garage door operator. The reason you may want to do this is in the event that you lose a remote or maybe your remote gets stolen, but basically to take away access from somebody that you don't want to be able to get into your garage anymore.
What you'll want to do is locate the yellow Learn button on the back of the operator. You're going to press and hold it, and then this yellow light's going to flash, and it's also going to beep. And once it beeps, that means it's reset. So we're going to push and hold. The light flashes.
And now your codes are erased. If you have problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.